Hey guys, welcome back to our Vortex channel. What if I told you there's a way to make your photos not just come alive, but actually talk or sing? Intrigued? Say hello to Capcut's latest feature, AI avatars and AI dialogue scene. This isn't just a new tool, it's a portal to a universe of endless possibilities. Let's dive into details. So guys, why Capcut new AI features are so cool, let me show you. Imagine a simple photo of your suddenly becoming a vibrant character with a voice of its own.
I'm breaking free from the frame, finding my voice in vibrant hue.
Whether it's singing your favorite song or delivering a line from a film, this feature makes it happen with just a few clicks. It's like having a mini production studio right on your desktop. You can craft short skits, start your own podcast, or even remix music videos, all with the ease of tapping a few buttons. And the best part? You don't need to be a video editing guru to use it. With AI dialogue scene, your creative aspirations are just a click away. Now, let's delve into the exciting features this tool offers. First up, the AI dialogue scene provides multiple options for adding dialogue. You can type your own text for characters to say, record your voice, extract audio from an existing video, or choose from trending or favorite sounds. Imagine the creative freedom. And with over 100 voice styles to choose from, you can customize your content to fit any mood or theme, whether it's emotional, professional, or just plain fun. The feature supports multiple languages including English, Spanish, Portuguese, and Indonesian, making it accessible to a global audience. Plus, you can adjust the speaking duration to 4, 8, or 12 seconds, perfectly tailoring it to fit your specific content needs. As you can see, I made this viral capybara dialogue scene.
My whole world is just capybaras.
Let's also talk about Capcut's video and image generation feature. This is your all-in-one creative jumpstart. You can turn any text prompt or uploaded image into a stunning AI-generated video or photo in seconds. Whether you're building an animated short, a lip-synced music video, a digital painting, or even a promotional ad, it's all possible without needing any editing experience. You want a talking dog delivering your sales pitch? Done. You want to recreate yourself as a digital singer? OneClick. This feature supports photo to video transformation, text to image generation, and makes building cinematic content effortless. Perfect for creators, marketers, and artists alike. Just prompt, generate, and you're done. Let's talk about why this tool is a must-have. First, its user-friendly design means even if you're a complete beginner, you can produce professional quality content effortlessly. The wide array of voice styles and language options ensures your creations are as unique as you are. While some may argue that the voice styles aren't limitless, with more than 100 to choose from, you'll never be short of options. Essentially, this tool isn't just a video editor, it's a creativity catalyst. Whether you're crafting memes, weaving stories, or just having a blast with your photos, AI dialogue scene is your new creative ally. But Capcut doesn't stop at talking photos. There's also a tool that's perfect for anyone in fashion, e-commerce, or design. AI fashion model. Just upload a photo of your clothing and instantly generate a photorealistic model wearing it. You can select different body types, poses, and settings to match your brand or creative vision. No need for professional photo shoots or expensive talent. Whether you're a small clothing shop or just testing designs, this makes product mock-ups super fast and incredibly realistic. And if you want to go even further, Capcut also features the AI avatar generator. This tool lets you create custom avatars from a photo or prompt. You can build lifelike characters that talk, sing, emote, and even interact with other avatars in your scene. Use it to create digital personas, animated skits, or storytelling characters. It's great for creators who want to build out content series, influencers looking to add a unique identity to their videos, or anyone who just wants to have fun experimenting with AI animation. So why should you jump on board? Because this tool transforms the ordinary into the extraordinary. It's available right now on the Capcut app, waiting for you to explore its magic. Click the link in the description and let your photos do the talking in ways you've never imagined before.
You can easily go viral with Capcut avatars.
Before we wrap up, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more riveting updates and insightful tutorials. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you won't miss out on any of the latest features or creative tips. Trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming next. There you have it, guys. Dive into the mesmerizing world of AI creativity with Capcut's AI avatars. Until next time, keep creating and let your imagination soar.